Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm a Woodland Direct NFI certified expert, and today I'm here to help you with the installation of the Superior VRL4543 Vent-Free Fireplace. So our first step in the installation process is simply to identify whether or not we have a single-faced or a see-through fireplace. In either case, we have to either secure our back panel on a single face or remove our back panel on a see-through. Now, if you've purchased the see-through option, you're simply going to remove the screws along the top here and then the screws that are holding the back panel in place. Once that back panel has been removed, you will install the provided see-through kit, giving it a nice clean finish. If your fireplace is going to be single-sided, you're simply going to take these screws that have been provided, install them inside these holes on the sides as well as the bottom of the rear panel, securing it into place. Now that our rear panel is secured, we're going to have your gas plumber install your gas line. Depending on where your gas supply is, you can install on either the left side or the right side of the fireplace. Both sides of the fireplace have these open circles as options to run your gas line. If they are closed off, you simply remove these two Phillips head screws, pop off that cover, and have your plumber run the gas line underneath and make the connection inside of the fireplace. So our next step will be to install the electrical. This fireplace has a junction box that's already pre-wired on the left side of the fireplace. All your electrician will need to do is make the connection to the exposed wires. The junction box is designed to power both the lights as well as the control module inside the fireplace. So our next step will be to install our hood. Now the hood is designed to be installed across the top of the fireplace opening. What we're going to do is going to loosen up the 7 screws across the opening. You're going to unscrew those about halfway. You're going to slide the hood into place, and you're going to tighten up each of those screws to lock the hood into place permanently. So, I've loosened the screws already to make it easier. Simply slide it into place across the top. Take my drill and lock in each of the screws. Next, let's install our media. Now our media for this fireplace comes in the form of clear beads. Now our glass bead media will come in our component box. You will find 6 pounds in a sealed bag like this. When you're applying the media, you simply put them down in an orderly fashion on our burner cover, not in the middle where our burner is. Keep the beads away from that. Simply set them along the burner cover. That way when the lights turn on, you have a nice reflection coming up from underneath. The next thing you'll do is pair your remote control to the control module inside the fireplace. The remote control can be found inside your component box where you found your glass media as well as your installation manual. In your installation manual, there will be specific instructions on pairing that remote to your control module. That'll give you ultimate control of your fireplace. Now with the remote paired to our fireplace, your installer is going to test everything. Once you have finished testing everything and everything is working properly, you will shut your fireplace off. With the fireplace cooled off, your installer can install the cement board. You'll have cement board across the top and down both sides. The cement board is there to make sure the clearances to combustible material is still met. This is everything that you need to know for the installation of your Superior VRL4543 Vent-Free Fireplace. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904. Any of our experts would love to talk with you, or you can look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.